Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A serene tropical escape featuring two modern villas with thatched roofs, nestled amidst lush greenery and vibrant foliage. The scene captures the essence of a tranquil resort, with wooden decks extending over a glistening pool while a gentle waterfall cascades into a rocky stream nearby. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows across the scene. The color palette comprises rich greens, earthy browns, and soft sunlight, enhancing the lush, organic feel. The villas showcase large glass windows, allowing the interior decor to be partially visible, blending contemporary elegance with natural surroundings. Include tropical plants, loungers with white cushions, and umbrellas, creating an inviting atmosphere suitable for relaxation and leisure. Hyperrealistic aesthetics emphasize the harmony between architecture and nature, with intricate details in the textures of the wood, foliage, and water reflections. A tranquil tropical villa scene, showcasing a modern eco-friendly design with thatched roofs and large glass windows, nestled among lush greenery and tall palm trees. The setting is illuminated by soft, diffused sunlight filtering through the leaves, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The deck features wooden planks that extend over a serene body of water, dotted with smooth stones and lily pads. Ferns and dense foliage surround the paths, enhancing the sense of privacy and connection with nature. The color palette includes deep greens, earthy browns, and soft hues of the water reflecting the sky, conveying a peaceful and rejuvenating vibe. The composition should evoke a hyper-realistic quality while capturing the idyllic charm of a secluded tropical retreat. Tropical resort scene featuring wooden bungalows with thatched roofs, surrounded by lush green foliage and palm trees. The setting is bathed in soft morning light, enhancing the vibrant greens of the plants and the earthy tones of the wooden structures. A winding stone pathway leads through the landscape, with decorative rocks and colorful tropical flowers accentuating the scenery. In the background, misty mountains rise, partially obscured by trees, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. The overall aesthetic combines hyperrealism with elements of paradise, invoking a feeling of peace and relaxation in nature. Tropical resort scene featuring wooden bungalows with thatched roofs, surrounded by lush green foliage and palm trees. The setting is bathed in soft morning light, enhancing the vibrant greens of the plants and the earthy tones of the wooden structures. A winding stone pathway leads through the landscape, with decorative rocks and colorful tropical flowers accentuating the scenery. In the background, misty mountains rise, partially obscured by trees, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. The overall aesthetic combines hyperrealism with elements of paradise, invoking a feeling of peace and relaxation in nature. A luxurious tropical retreat featuring a modern villa with a thatched roof, surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees. The setting is bright and sunny, with a clear blue sky above. The villa is designed with natural wood tones, large glass windows, and a spacious balcony overlooking a sparkling pool. The pool is framed by an elegant wooden deck with white loungers and a large umbrella, surrounded by vibrant tropical plants and flowers. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, highlighting intricate details in the architecture and vibrant colors of nature, evoking a sense of serenity and tropical elegance. Sunlight casts soft shadows, enhancing the textures of the wood and the shimmering water. The scene invites relaxation and luxurious living in a tropical paradise. Tropical modern villa nestled among lush green foliage, featuring sleek architecture with natural materials and bamboo accents. The structure has a thatched roof, large glass windows, and multiple terraces. Surrounding the home are vibrant palm trees and various tropical plants, creating an intimate setting. A serene pool reflects the clear blue sky, while sun loungers await nearby under oversized white umbrellas. The scene captures a warm, inviting atmosphere, illuminated by soft sunlight filtering through the trees, enhancing the vibrant greens and earthy tones of the environment, evoking an impressionistic style with a touch of hyperrealism.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.